Hi, I'm Matthew from OpenResty Inc. Today I'd like to share how we generate our tutorial videos via the OpenResty demo tool chain. Yes, our videos were all automatically generated, including this one you're currently watching. Basically, we humans just write a screenplay file for each video. Let's create an example file, bash.sp. In this example, we try to explain some basic bash usage. This is some narrator which computer will eventually speak out in the final video. And as you might have guessed, I, Matthew, am a computer voice. And while speaking this sentence, we can make the machine do something in the terminal. Note that shell commands all have an indentation. And we can also pause the terminal operation, and speak something. Note the S prefix, which means synchronous. By default, it is asynchronous. We can add more stuff to the screenplay file. More commands here. And some final narrator. Save and quit the file. We can use our OpenResty demo tool chain to process this screenplay file. This file contains all the necessary information needed for generating the final video. It now completes processing the screenplay file. It has also finished executing all the shell commands which can be replayed. We use our ops language tool chain to automate the terminal operations. The second step is to generate the audio as a bunch of MP3 files. Finally, we generate the final video file. We're all set. We can now check the generated files ready for being uploaded to YouTube. The MP4 file is the video file. And the SRT file is the corresponding subtitles with accurate timing information. Web browser operations can be automated by our nav language tool chain. We'll cover this web topic in a separate video. This video will be concluded by the generated bash video in a few seconds.
Today I'll demonstrate some bash usage. As we can see, we are currently in a bash session. Let's do a hello world in bash. We can see the hello world string is printed.
If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.